Take only this and eliminate cough, bronchitis and colds. In brief moments, a written explanation. On previous occasions we have already recommended a series of natural remedies for colds, which are very practical to prepare. If your case is a little more severe and you have diseases such as cough or bronchitis, you are probably encouraged to take medications so that they disappear more quickly. Although this time we are going to recommend a remedy that by taking it you can eliminate the cough, bronchitis and cold. It is also very easy to prepare and will help to combat these diseases. So if you want to know how it is prepared, we invite you to continue reading the article. Remedy to eliminate cough, bronchitis and colds. The mixture of this remedy is created based on bananas, a fruit that has a lot of properties very good for health and also have a good flavor, ideal for children. Do not make it ugly to try it. Besides that it will help you with cough, bronchitis and cold, it also helps to have a healthy digestive system. How to prepare this remedy? Now let's move on to the most important part, the ingredients, and know the steps of how to prepare it. Ingredients: 2 bananas, 400 milliliters of boiled water, 2 tablespoons of honey. Preparation methods: the first thing you should do is remove the skin of the bananas. Subsequently you must crush each of the bananas with a fork, spoonful of wood or plastic, this to prevent the bananas from rusting and darkening. Then you must add the honey to the banana puree you just made and stir well. Then add the boiling water to the puree, cover it and let it rest for a period of 30 minutes. If you want, you can pass the mixture through a plastic strainer. How should you take this remedy? Each time you go to try this remedy, both in adults or children, you must warm it up beforehand. In the case of children, you should give this remedy 4 times a day, as it is completely natural. It will not have any side effects. If you see that the 3rd day does not improve, we recommend that you go immediately to your doctor, since it is likely that it is not a simple cough and it is a whooping cough, which is an acute infectious contagious bacterial disease that affects to the respiratory system. Its main symptom is violent coughing in fits or paroxysms that can make breathing difficult. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.